Hey, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Are you able to see my screen, right?
yes.
Yes,
Uh, Guys, anyways, today first class. Yesterday we just did on the basic demo class, right? And let me share yesterday class notes with you. So yesterday video. So first three classes are like demo classes, and yeah, just you can go to the Google. If you have any questions, you can ask me here. So so we have a class like producttest.com, right? Guys, yesterday we created the link is what? First, let me explain first 10 minutes yesterday class what we done. Protectedtest.com slash CoreJava 7, right? CoreJava 7. Guys, this is open software, open source. Guys, just you can check the yesterday class notes by using this link. If anyone is a new today, just you try to open this link once. Yeah, you try to open this link. Guys, the guys who are new, otherwise the guys who didn't check the yesterday class notes, you try to open this link. Protectedtest.com slash CoreJava 7, right? Guys, are you opening right? Yeah, when you open that link, it is asking password, guys. The password for that link is Java. Everyone is able to see the chart, right? Everyone is able to see the chart. Protectedtest.com slash CoreJava 7. CoreJava 7, that's it. When you open that, it's asking password. The password for that link is what? Java is the password, right? Yeah, Java is the password, guys. First 10 minutes, guys, let me recap the yesterday class, demo class, what we done in yesterday. And yesterday, if you need the video guys, first video links I will share with you. Video links, I can take the class one, right? Video link, I can take the class one, class one, class one. Guys, just you can go to the YouTube. Yeah, just you can check the YouTube once. In YouTube, yesterday class timing is what? CoreJava Mr. Ratan 7 p.m. Just you can type like that. And let me share that link with you. So yeah, CoreJava by Ratan 7 p.m. If you type that link, this is yesterday 21 hours ago. After 1 hour, guys, the video will uploaded like this. Yeah, how many guys are watched this video? Mm, yeah, three not people are watched the video. 6 members are like the video. No comments. Fine. Just coming to today class. Yeah, this is yesterday class video, guys. Yes, yesterday class, what we done in the video itself, let me explain with the points here. Ravinder Singh. Yeah, guys, here, yesterday class, the first point we discussed about the importance of Java, guys. The importance of Java means we discussed about most of the technology depends on Java, guys. Selenium, Hadoop, Pega, Salesforce, cloud computing. Okay, cloud computing. These are ADF, OAF, SAP modules, OAM, Android, PLM, product lifecycle management, MDM, master data management, JavaScript, Bootstrap, TIPCO, Pentaho. These are all the tools, guys. Advanced Java structures, Spring, Hibernate web services. These all depends on what a CoreJava, right? Exactly. Guys, to check this video, yesterday class video, let me place that video in the chat itself. Just you can check that video, guys. Even I will place the class link here also. Okay, this is a class notes link, right? Yeah. Okay, this is the first point. Yesterday class we discussed importance of Java. Once if we done the importance of Java, guys, the first point, importance of Java. These all the technology depends on Java, guys. Just you can check that video once. And after that, we discussed about Python versus Java. So some guys are thinking what the difference of Python versus Java means. What the difference are here? So Python will give Java is giving the more predefined libraries, guys, to build the web applications. Guys, Java is giving the more predefined libraries to build what? Web applications, right? Web applications and enterprise applications. Python is giving the more predefined libraries to build the artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, guys. It means Java is providing more predefined classes and interfaces like predefined support. to build the application like web applications, enterprise applications. Python is giving the more predefined libraries to build application like AML, right? It means two different categories, guys. One is giving the libraries for the data science, one is giving the libraries for the web applications, right? That's the difference between Python versus Java, guys. That is the second point yesterday class we discussed. Second point, right? And the third point, CoreJava duration, guys. CoreJava is a 2 months classes. Advanced Java is a 2 months classes. After 1 month, guys. After 1 month, I will take the okay. After 1 month, I will take Advanced Java parallelly. So some other timing. So in that case, if you attend the CoreJava Advanced Java parallelly, so how many days it will take to complete your job means? Uh, Guys, how many days it will take means to complete the Java? Just 3 months, guys. Core Advanced, it will take like an almost all 3 months, yeah. 3 months, right? Exactly. Okay, these are the entry questions I will share with you. So Java complete material we will share. Okay. Just now I shown entry questions, right? These are the entry questions, guys. So every topic we will going to discuss about the entry questions. Every topic we will see the entry questions, right? Exactly. Every topic we will see the entry questions, guys. After that, core Java 2 months Java complete material we will share. Some students are asking like to become a Java developer, how experience we required? Because Java developer basically required level one, level two. First level one, level two required, guys. Level one means what? Core Java, Advanced Java. So Core Java, Advanced Java. Once level one is completed, you can take the Spring Boot, and web services, guys. Web services, right? Exactly. So to become a Java developer, these are the things required here. Hmm? Good. These are the things required. So after that, we discussed about. mm, this is like the next point, yeah. Because some students are asking like, what is a front end, what is a back end, what is a DevOps? Because these days the teams will be front end UI technologies, guys, designing part, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Guys, this diagram will clarify you the most of the questions, guys. In the real time, we have the front end. The front end means what are the tools we are using in the front end means. What are the tools we are using, guys? Basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript, frameworks like React, Angular, Webpack, styles like Bootstrap, Material UI. This is the front end, guys. The front end technologies. If you take the back end means Java at server side, guys. At server side, we are writing the main business logics, right? Main business logics we are using like PHP, Python, Java, .NET, Ruby Rails, like Go language, Dart language, J sharp, C sharp, like multiple languages are the back end. Database means what, guys? Relational database are there, NoSQL database, messaging queues are there. Database to store the data, guys. And DevOps is what? DevOps is maintenance purpose, guys. Maintain application, Docker tools, AWS, Nginx, okay, Azure, Jenkins. These are like DevOps, right? Exactly. So this diagram will clarify the most of the questions with you. Front end means what? Designing part. Back end is like main business logics, right? Yes, if you clearly observe this point, front end is just designing, view purpose. Database just for storing the data. DevOps, maintenance of the application, right? Once application done, maintenance. But where is the main business logic? Tell me. Where is the main business logic means back end, right? Guys, where is the main business logic? Back end or not? Front end is designing, right? Databases are just to store the data, right? Yes, do you agree or not? Databases just to store the data. DevOps for operation purpose. Operations in the sense what? DevOps is operations purpose, right? Operations in the sense, hmm, like once the application is completed, we need to maintain the application in the cloud, right? Cloud to maintain the Docker images, Kubernetes, VMware, and the visualization part, guys. DevOps, development operations, right? These are operations, guys. Out of these four, guys, where your main business logic is available? Tell me. Guys, please respond. Out of these four steps, where your main business logic is available? Guys, please respond.
Backend.
Where is your backend, right? Here the main thing, guys. Technology only main thing, right? Remaining all are what? Maintenance. Front end designing, database storing purpose, DevOps is like maintenance of the application, right? This diagram is clear, everyone. Guys, this
Yes.
diagram is
Okay.
clear.
Yes, yes, yes.
This diagram, guys. Yesterday we explained the diagram. So after that, uh, yeah, guys, first point we discussed importance of Java. Second point, Python versus Java. So Python versus Java means what? Python is giving the more predefined libraries to build a web application. Third point, like Java developer required the core Java, advanced Java. After core Java, advanced Java, we need to start the Spring Boot and what web services, right? That's the third point we discussed. And the fourth point, company teams, guys. In the company, how many teams we have means total we have the four teams, right? What are the four teams, guys? One is a front end team, back end team, database team, DevOps team, right? Exactly. Fifth point is what, guys? These are the interview questions, guys. How many types of overloadings in Java? Yesterday, I explained some questions, right? Yeah, explained some questions, right? Yesterday, done a total 5 points, guys. First point is what? Importance of Java. Most of the technology depends on Java. Second point is what? Python versus Java. So third point is what? How many teams are there in website? Like, how many teams are there? Fourth point is what? Java developer means how extend we required. Fifth point is what? Class information, right? Class means Java complete material will provide. All the topics, interview questions I will share with you. All the topics, interview questions. These are the questions, guys. Every 2 3 topics, I will share you the 20 questions like this. This is the analysis, right? We will do some analysis about these questions. Every 2 3 topics, guys, I'll share the 20 questions. Okay. So we need to we need to take the test. We need to check yourself, like self analysis, right? That's simply like self analysis. Yeah. Guys, yesterday 5 points are clear. Yeah, this is like yesterday class what we completed, right? This is a demo one, like basically. Guys, everyone is clear? Do you have any questions about yesterday class?
Yeah, can you please explain a bit about level 2 Spring Boot if possible?
Oh no, sorry. It means to become a Java developer, first you need to take the core Java, advanced Java. So these days, don't
Okay.
expect the job based on the only core Java, advanced Java.
Okay.
But because the applications are developed using Spring and Spring Boot frameworks, basically. Spring is a framework, and we have the web services and
Mm,
microservices. It's a
okay. How
framework to
long
build
it
a.
okay, how long it
See,
gonna take to learn these ones?
I written the total 4 courses regarding Java level, right? If
Yep.
you plan properly, it will take every course 2 months. Core 2 months, advanced 2 months, Spring Boot 2 months, web services 2 months. Every course it will take the two
Okay.
months. Take the 2 months, guys. Don't take like crash courses like 20 days, 1 month. Because to understand what is the technology, it will take some time. That's what 2 months is a sufficient time. Don't take like again 6 months, 5 months of core Java, 6 months of advanced Java, 8 months of web services. What we will do 6 months if we take the core Java only? It's like not a semester, right? 2 months is like
Yep. Yeah.
uh, yeah, 2 months is good enough time, guys. Good enough time.
So, can we take Spring and Spring Boot classes parallelly,
No,
sir?
no, no. First, you need to complete the core Java. Complete in the
Okay.
sense you need to get the clarity about the basics of Java. If you got the 1 month of core Java, you'll get some basics of Java. Then you can take advanced Java parallelly. Once you core advanced perfectly if it done, then you can start the Spring Boot exercises parallelly. First, you need to complete this level one. First, completely, we need to complete the level one. Once if you have the idea about the level one, then you can start the level two.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Generally,
And I,
the American students they will do big mistakes here. They never focus on whether I'm getting subject or not. Just they will focus on morning core Java, afternoon advanced Java, before lunch Spring, after lunch web services. Morning to evening, they'll attend all the classes, right? They'll attend all the classes. Because attending the classes, completion of the course is not important. Okay, every day once if you attend the class, you are getting some knowledge or not, whether I'm able to do the practicals or not, the class is going good or not. Think like that, then we'll get the confidence, right? As completion of the course is not at all important. Getting the subject is important. That's what. Until unless you don't have the clarity about the core Advanced Java, don't start the Spring classes. Okay, so that is a good option for you.
okay. How can we access whether we are good at core Java and advanced Java or not?
Sorry.
How can we access our performance? I mean,
See, every day I'll say the test papers, right? Interview questions, right? If you're good at the test
okay.
papers and interview questions, then you can decide like see, these are the. I'll show you some assignments here. These are the entry questions. Okay. The main number of
Mm,
entry questions are there, right? Every day you're reading the entry questions. If you're doing the assignments, okay, we are doing the assignments, so that we'll get the automatically we'll get the confidence, right? whether I'm able to following the properly or not and all. See, these kind of real-time
Okay.
assignments I'll give you. These are the assignments, right? In application, take the pin number 1234. Take the pin
Okay.
number from end user. Take the 4 attempts. After 4 attempts, in general in ATM, 2 3 attempts. If you 3 attempts, maybe if you enter the wrong pin, we got the the pin is account is blocked for 24 hours, right?
Yep.
These kind of assignments I will give you. Whether you are able to do these assignments, we are able to check the interview questions, and we are able to do some test papers, so that automatically you get the confidence, right? So that we can move forward.
Yeah. Okay, I have final question. I heard like what is 1.8, 1.5 like that.
Java versions, right?
I mean, you guys gonna teach based upon the version. I mean, first you teach 1.5 like that.
So we'll move forward. I'll tell you when the topic comes. Okay, this is a topic which is in the Java 14th version. This is a topic which is in
Okay.
the Java 7th version, like that. Java
I
1.0
mean,
version topics are. Hmm.
I heard like that. We need to finish this version before going to advanced Java. That's why I have a
That's what
doubt
I'm saying.
regarding that.
We attend the up to hoops concepts. 1 month class is sufficient to you're eligible for advanced Java. After 1 month, you can take advanced Java parallelly. Okay.
Okay.
And you start with
Got
normal
it.
timing advanced Java, then you can start advanced Java parallelly, right?
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Uh, Yeah, these kind of assignments we have. See, guys, use the single for loop. Write a program to print the 1 to 10 numbers, 1 to 10 even numbers, 1 to 10 odd numbers, 1 to 10 even numbers, odd numbers, 1 to 10 numbers. All additions we need to do how many using how many loops? Only single for loop. Hmm? These kind of assignments anyhow I will share with you. So we need to complete these all the assignments, right? Yeah, these are points. Yeah, sir, clear now?
One more thing, sir. You will share like means go through the company standard program as well during the
See,
course.
I'm working for the company, so everything is a coding standards or coding level only we will see. See, only for the if else for flow control statements, I prepared how many assignments. This is only for one topic assignments. How many assignments? 14 assignments are there. So when you do this type of coding, automatically we are able to work with real time. Guys, you guys, you are learning the core Java. You are learning the Java means what? You are going to do real time projects, right? It's not like
Yeah.
you're doing like academic exam, right? Definitely you have to
Right,
know the
right.
things practically, right?
Yes,
Then I will take care of the
that's right.
practicals, definitely. uh, definitely I'll take it. See, in my collection framework
Okay.
even everything is like a real time point of view. See, if these lines if you understand it will take some time. So values dot stream is there, map is there, collect is there, collector contains what, collector dot tool is, right? So this kind of coding we will see in like in the real time, right? See guys here, find dot stream, friends dot stream is there, filter is there, collect is there, collector dot tool list is there. Definitely this kind of coding we will see in like application pointer. See guys, definitely you don't know what is this coding even. This is a core Java only even in the real time what we are writing the code. Map dot entry set, stream sorted, entry dot compare by key, comparator dot reverse order, so for each system dot out double colon println. Even the guys who feel like I know Java already, they cannot understand this line. Tell me in the entire class, anyone is understood this line? What is this line? The guys who are feeling like Java already, that guys are unable to understand because this is a real-time standard, the coding that we are writing. Okay, that I will take care. Coding wise, I will take care because everything we need to do with the coding wise only. Okay,
Okay, thank
is
you,
that
sir.
yeah? Any still other questions? Like that, guys. Once if you have the clarity,
No.
if you have any questions, you can ask me so that we get some clarity. Then you can start the Java. That will be better actually. No. Okay, see, Anil Kumar, demo classes for you guys means without paying fees, you attend the classes. But yesterday class, I took the class. Yesterday class, all the 4 points are important points, right? Related to the industry only, right? Importance of Java, Python versus Java, Java developer, how extent required, company contains how many teams, what is a front end, what is a back end, database, DevOps. This all related to the important information, right? Hmm? Yeah, that is what everything is important there. Everything is important. Okay.
Yeah,
Balakrishna, tell me.
okay. I have final question. I mean, there.
Hmm. Not able to hear you. Yeah, let me go with the syllabus copy, guys. Once, what are the topics you are going to see in the next few classes, next 2 months classes? What are the topics you are going to see? Today itself, I'll share the schedule, and even the topic. It will take how many days, like how many hours we will teach the topic, and what are the syllabus, what are the content will comes under. I will show you the completely data with you. Just you try to check this data once, okay?
Sir,
Syllabus
one
copy.
more. I have one doubt, sir.
Tell me, tell me.
Sir, I have basically BSc background student, sir.
Okay.
Have any knowledge from Java and computer courses, sir? I
Okay.
can I can learn this course, sir.
Yeah, that's also a very good question, guys. See, if you don't know anything about the Java, you're freshly starting the Java. Definitely, you can understand the Java very well, and Java is definitely simple. But here, terms and conditions are applied. And even C language, CP language, those languages are not required, guys, to learn the Java. Even 8th class kids in the morning, for the US kids, I'm teaching the Java. 8th class kids, they are taking the Java classes. But here the point is like, no, definitely you can understand the Java even if you don't know anything about the programming languages. But the condition is what? Terms and condition. You don't know anything about the programming languages means this is the first programming language. That's what. Every day before come to the next class, you need to complete the practicals of yesterday class. Then only you'll get the clarity. Then only you'll get the
Okay, sir.
clarity. You will not do the
Okay.
practical artfully. You can check yourself once. I am doing practical properly or not. Okay, I am doing practicals properly on the day basis. I'm understanding the things well and good. But without doing the practicals, don't think like I'm not understanding, not understanding. Yes or no? First, you need to do the
Yes, sir.
practicals.
Hello.
Definitely understand. Even if you are
Sir.
doing practicals, if you are unable to understand, just you can call me. I'll share you my number so that we will discuss and we will spend some time on that. Definitely, we'll be able to understand things. Okay?
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Sir, offline classes are available, sir.
No, 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 no. Arey yaar, this is Corona increase these days. How can you say offline
Okay.
classes? No, no, no chance. Even everyone is feeling cold, cough these days. It's
Uh,
very risky situation, right, to make offline classes. Even if they are put down like offline classes, I am not interested to come to the classes.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Please support it
Sir.
for me, sir.
Definitely,
Sir.
guys. If you do the work
I have
smartly,
small
definitely
doubt.
I will support you. Okay, fine. Tell
Okay,
me.
sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Anyone?
Sir, I am Hemant. Hello.
Heyman, tell me.
I am from a civil department. I don't have any knowledge about the Java,
Heyman,
but
can
I
I
am
ask one?
interested to.
Can I ask one small
Okay.
question?
Okay.
These
Okay.
days, generally, uh, in US, yani in US schools and all, even on CBSE, not CBSE, ICSE, some schooling is there. I went to that school. One school is there. They follow the
Okay.
syllabus like ICSE syllabus, internet.
Yes, yes.
ICSE, yeah. They have the 10th class students. They have the Java, right? Even they don't anything at the
But
programming. No,
hmm.
no.
Now, what I'm saying, sir,
Practically,
I don't have any knowledge.
that's
Sir.
what, yeah. Even 10th class kids also, they don't have any knowledge on the technologies and all, right? They can understand the Java, they can do the programming. Even 10th class
Okay, sir,
kids,
but I
they,
am interested to. Okay, sir, but I
oh,
am interested to learn about Java, sir. That's why I join in your class.
that's what, yeah. You can join, you can learn the practicals, you can do the practicals, you can apply for the job. Because even
Yes,
we
yes.
never think about in resume you are the civil department, EC department. We will check your
Yes,
BTech
yes.
student or not and how much aggregate you
Yes,
have.
yes, sir.
This will start as the
Sir, I
questions,
am
right?
already doing job, sir. I am already doing a civil engineering, but I am interested to
Okay,
learn about Java. That's why I will join your class, sir.
definitely, definitely. No, if you have anyone is thinking like I am from some other backgrounds, can I understand the Java means don't think like that. Even kids they are taking the Java these days. That's what I'm trying to
Okay,
say.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay.
There is
Sir,
no chance like
I have
not understanding. Okay. Yeah, tell me here.
sir, I am Lakshman.
Mm. Tell me next one.
Uh, I have some doubt.
Tell me.
Uh, the Java keys, what is the keys? Java keys, keywords.
Snack keywords.
Yes. What is
These are
that
the
one?
I will write the keywords, all the keywords. 50 keywords are there in Java. These are the point. Java keywords.
And what is
Okay.
the development set?
Development setup means
What,
once if you
what we
join the
have to work?
once once if you join the company in system, ID team will install the required softwares, right? That is called development setup.
Yes, is suppose like I'm give you just sample. Suppose example, is there any Java FX? Suppose example Apache Net 14.0 like that. You can go to install and we have to create a new file, new file or new project, and we have to create a library.
Then
These are development side.
yeah, development setup. No, setup is
Okay.
nothing but not like that. Setup in the sense initialization of software is nothing but setup. After initialization of softwares, you are the responsible to create the project. In the project, you need to responsible to create the applications. That is not comes under
Okay.
development setup. Okay. Installation of softwares, the required softwares to build the FX application. Okay, to build
Okay.
the FX applications, we need some softwares, right? Those softwares installation comes under development setup. But creation of
Okay.
project,
Once
creation of class that you need to write as a developer.
once we have to done the developments, uh, uh, the library is suppose example Java library is keyword is there application. What we have to do? What's the
This is
use of library?
library means it comes under multiple things here, multiple classes, interfaces comes under library. Once if it is project is done, we'll make
Okay.
that library. I'll put that library in the production environment. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
first CoreJava
Okay.
class. Go the flow wise. Okay. I will tell you that points clearly in later class. Okay. Good. Guys, coming to the
Okay.
syllabus copy, CoreJava syllabus and schedule. Development setup means I'll tell you that installation of softwares, but that is a production environment that I'll tell you later classes. This is not right time. Okay, good. Guys, introduction on data types, guys. It will take 7 hours, guys, because introduction bit important. Java importance, development setup, keywords, identifiers, first applications, coding conventions, because we need to follow some coding conventions while writing the Java code, Java futures, Java data types, underscores in the numeric literals, underscores concept is there, number systems, binary number, octal number, decimal number, hexadecimal number. To understand these concepts, guys, it will take 7 hours topic. Okay, next one is the Java operators here. Arithmetic operator, in the real time how to use the ternary operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, assignment operator. Is like 2 hours class required. Then flow control statements, guys. If else, switch, looping statements, transfer statement, real time scenarios or above statements. So knowing the statements one thing, and real time how can we use that statements are important, right? The real time scenarios are that I'll tell you. Okay. Next one is Java class concept, guys. Java class. Java is everything is a class based. Real time how to use the variables declaration, real time usage of variables, real time usage of the methods, real time usage of the constructor. Here I'm using the word like real time usage of the constructor means definitely I need to tell in the real time how the constructor will be used, right? If I will not tell, then immediately you will tell, sir, in the syllabus copy you said real time usage, show me real time usage. Once if I make the word means definitely I need to give the example about real time usage, right? That's what real time usage of the methods, variables, and constructors. Right? 4 topics. Fifth topic is what, guys? Java packages and modifiers. So normal import is there, static import is there. Okay, sub packages are there, public modifier, private modifier. Because project is having the multiple classes. Multiple classes are having the multiple packages. So we need to import one package class into another package class. we need to give the permissions. This all comes under package and modifier. This is very important topic. Real time, we need to divide the project into modules. That module is nothing but a package. Okay, next one is the Java principles, guys. Inheritance, composition, aggregation, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. Okay, this will take 10 hours class. 10 hours class. Java interfaces, guys. Advantage of interfaces, mark interfaces, functional interfaces, adapter classes, functional programming, guys. If you really, I don't know how many guys knows this point, guys. C language, what type of language? C language is like, procedure oriented, right? C language is what? Procedure oriented language. Yeah. I hope everyone knows this one. Okay. If you don't know, leave it. But Java language is what? Java language is like, Java is what type of language, guys? This point I clearly will explain tomorrow. But you try to understand Java is what type of language means what? Everyone is thinking like object oriented programming language, right? Guys, everyone is thinking Java is what? Object oriented or not? Yeah, definitely Java is object oriented, guys. Java language is object oriented programming language. That is fine. Any other point, tell me? Java is only object oriented, any other type also? Guys, Java is object oriented programming language. What the question I'm asking? Is it Java is only object oriented programming language or any other type also? Anyone? Anyone in the class? What the question I'm asking is clear? Java is object oriented programming language. Is it Java is only object oriented or any other type of programming language? That's the question I'm asking. Yeah, guys, initially Java is object oriented, guys, but now Java language is like, object oriented language, and Java is what? A functional programming language, guys. Functional functional programming language. From which version onwards means, which is like from Java 8th version onwards. Because Java 8th version onwards, we have the concept like, functional interfaces. Because of functional interfaces, because of what? Functional interfaces, the Java becomes what? Functional programming. What is a functional programming? How we are building the functional programming language, that I'll tell you. But because of this functional interfaces concept, Java becomes what? Functional programming from Java 8th version. Yeah. From Java 14th version onwards, Java is a reactive programming language. So very powerful topic, guys. Java is a reactive programming. Okay, Java 14th version onwards. So these days, guys, Java is what type of language? Object oriented, functional programming, and reactive programming language. Yeah. Most of the guys are saying object oriented, but Java is object oriented, functional programming, and what? Reactive programming. What is object orientation programming? What is a functional programming? What is a reactive programming? That I will tell you. Okay. Yeah. That is one point you need to remember. Yeah. Then come to syllabus copy, guys. OOPS principal, interfaces, adapter classes, and the Java modifiers are there. We have the modifiers like, public, private, protected, abstract, final, static, native, strict fp, volatile. In the real time, we have to know where the native is used, strict fp used, transient is used, synchronized is used. Total 11 modifiers we have. Next one is exception handling, guys. Introduction about exceptions, types of exceptions, exceptions and errors, try with resources, next try catch block, handling the user defined exception project level. Because in our project we need to create our own exceptions, right? Guys, in our project we need to create what? Our own exceptions. We need to handle our own exception, right? Yeah, that's what, guys. Hemant, please mute. Yeah, this is called exception handling, guys. Okay, good. Next one is a file handling concept. Hemant, please mute. File handling means what, guys? Working with normal streams, working with buffered streams. Okay, file input stream, file output stream, file reader, file writer is there, right? Working with buffer streams, what, guys? Buffer input stream, buffer output stream, buffer reader, and what? Buffer writer, right? The file handling concept, guys. Next one is a garbage collector. So making the objects are unreferenced. Okay, what is a garbage collector? How the garbage collector will collect the garbage? The garbage collector, guys. String manipulations, string class, string buffer class, string builder class, string tokenizer class, mutable versus mutable, synchronizer, splitting the data, String manipulations will take 3 hours class. Java wrapper classes, guys. What is the advantage of wrapper classes? How many wrapper classes in Java? Auto boxing versus unboxing, data comparisons, that we will see. Nested classes, guys. Advantage of nested classes, lambda expressions, lambda expressions, the lambda coding in real time. The real time, how we will do the lambda coding, that we will see. Okay, multi-threading, guys. Thread poolings, thread pool we need to create. Inter-thread communication, thread synchronization, thread groups, thread with lambda expression, hook thread, daemon threads, is all we will see. Next is enumeration, guys. Group of user-defined constants. To declare the declaring user-defined constants, you are going for the enumeration. Annotations are what, guys? Uses of annotations, suppress warnings, functional interfaces, deprecated, override. These are all the annotations, guys. JVM architecture is there. Okay, so JVM architecture is there. Collection framework is there. Collection framework contains list classes, guys. List classes means what? Array list, linked list, vector, stack. Set classes means what, guys? Hash set, linked hash set, tree set. Map classes means what? Hash map, linked hash map, tree map. So different types of cursors. Enumeration, iterator, list iterator, right? Yeah, enumeration, iterator, list iterator, right? Exactly. Filters, guys. Filters, mappers, collections coding with lambda expressions, collection coding with method references. Okay, next one, generics, guys. Wildcard symbol, very powerful concept in the real time. Always we can see the collections with question mark symbol. This is a wildcard symbol basically. What is a type eraser? We will see these all the things, guys. Next is internationalization. Internationalization means what? Once if you open the application Google, in the Google you will get the, okay, in the Google it is asking like multiple languages, right? So Telugu means you will get the data Telugu labels, right? Hindi means Hindi. What is this one here? Telugu means if you click the Telugu, we got the message like, నేను అదృష్టశాలి గూగుల్ ఈ భాషల్లో అందుబాటులో ఉంది, రైట్? హిందీ మీన్స్ వాట్, గైస్? క్లిక్ ఆన్ హిందీ. ఆజ్ మేరీ, what is this here? Aaj Meri
किस्मत
हाँ
किस्मत
अच्छी है।
अच्छी है।
आज मेरी किस्मत अच्छी है।
आज मेरी किस्मत है, हाँ आज मेरी किस्मत अच्छी
अच्छी है।
This is like Marathi language, right? Hey, Marathi means very small word, huh?
मी भाग्यवान है।
Me, yeah,
मी
that is like
भाग्यवान।
Bhagyavan.
I am
Oh,
lucky.
Marathi. Okay, good. Guys, anyhow, the website is supporting this many number of languages, right? Even country to country currency change the same currency, like number system. Do you think number system have like change it from country to country or same numbers? Guys, currency which is changed from country to country, right?
Yes, yes.
Because generally in our terminology, if 1,20,000 means generally we'll write like this, right? Yeah, we'll write like this. But in other country they will write like 1.20,000 0.00, like that they will write. Representations are different, guys, definitely. Good. Guys, we will achieve that using which programming as internationalization. It means international languages, right? Okay, the topic name is called what? Internationalization. Nothing but what? Languages, different language names, country names, different time and date formats, different currencies. So these are the topics here. And we will see the futures of Java 9th version, 10th version, 11, 12, 13, 14, because 14 reactive programming is there, right? 14th, 15th, 16th. Guys, this is the syllabus copy which we are going to discuss. Today I will share this syllabus copy. Anyhow, I will place this syllabus copy PDF document in the Google Drive. Once if you paid the fees, you will get this all the documents to your mail ID. Okay, the syllabus copy and all. But as of now, for the reference purpose, let me place this one in the your protectedtest.com/CoreJava 7 PM. CoreJava 7, right? Here, let me make the syllabus, right? Syllabus. That's it, yeah. Guys, are you clear now? Guys, I'm repeating one more time. The guys who are missed yesterday class, here video link is there. If you want check the syllabus copy, check the syllabus copy. Every day we will follow the syllabus copy. Yesterday class was a demo we done. This is a demo. If you need this all information, you try to open this. Try to open this link. Once if you open this link, it's asking password. The password for that link is JAVA. Java is a password. Are you clear, right? That is the point, yeah. That is information, right? Good. There is syllabus copy today I explained, yeah. That's a fine. Video link. This is yesterday class video, and today class video I'll place after 1 hour. After 1 hour, if you want, you can check the here class 2. The class video link is uploaded here, right? What the class today we done. Okay, that is syllabus copy you are going to teach. Okay, sorry, clear now. Any questions? Guys, any questions, please? Because every day you will get the required session to your email ID. Once if you complete the formalities, every day we will share the recorded session to your email. No worries about that. Guys, all are clear? Syllabus copy, video link, day 1. And one more small suggestion for you guys. Yes, you take some book and pen for Java notes. You can take one notes. Yesterday, what we done, this is the points, right? These are all the points you try to make a note on. These all the points here. You try to write these all the points. And today's syllabus copy, no? This is a syllabus copy. You try to write the points, guys. Every day you try to make the notes. So that is a very good option, basically. Right? Good. Guys, I said Java is what type of language? Java is not only object oriented. Java is a functional programming from Java 8. Java is a reactive programming from Java 14th version, right? Java 14th version, yeah. Good. Any other points? Tell me, any questions? Yeah. Everything is going good, right?
I have a question.
Yeah,
I have a question if you have time.
Tell me.
Okay, what makes the difference between watching the YouTube videos and attending online classes? What's the difference?
Feeling is important. Feeling only difference. In the every day you're attending classes means you know the flow. Every day you're attending the class means you know the flow, where we are starting, where we are stopping, right? If you watch the YouTube videos, fine. That is also fine. That's not a problem. Okay. But the only feeling is important. Yeah. That's up to you.
I have one question.
Rather than that, there are not much.
So after this course, so will there be any assistance regarding if let's say if someone is working on a support project in a company and he wants to move out from the support project, so will there be any assistance regarding that one?
If regarding you're asking your project, you need to no. See,
yeah.
if you are in the classroom, 2 months classes, when you attend the classes, if you have any suggestion means I'll give the suggestion. Like, sir, this is a requirement, sir. What we need to do? You going to use the filters and mappers. You'll get the we'll let you the requirement.
No. My question was not that. Like, I work in a support project, so I just want to escape from that support project. So that's why I'm learning Java. Like, will there be any assistance regarding how to prepare resume, since we don't have any experience on the development perspective? So will there be any assistance regarding this one?
From Advanced Java, I'll tell you that in Advanced Java, we'll have the separate section for the resume preparation and what are the technologies you need to place comes under what type category. That will take in Advanced.
Yeah, that's clears my doubt. Thank you.
Yeah.
One of the query.
Tell me,
what is JDK? What is the work?
We will see that in next class. Like no, that is installation JDK
and JRE also.
JDK, that I'll tell you.
And what is
this question is repeating from yesterday.
JCS, LCS?
Sorry. Like about you don't ask the questions about the technology.
Yeah, maybe.
Because about technologies we will see in the when you start the Java classes. Like tomorrow onwards we'll start the Java classes. Regarding programming, tomorrow onwards we will start. Okay.
Suppose if I pay fees, do I get access to the any previous lecture videos where I can preview before coming to session?
If you want, they will share the required session for the other classes. It is not a problem. If you have any urgent requirement to listen to the classes.
Okay.
What is map? Can you explain?
I heard like that you guys were starting ADV's class on February 3rd. Is it starting from February 3rd?
Which one?
AWS.
That I don't know. How can you ask that type of questions in the class?
No. I mean they teacher me, Professor is Ratan. Might be. I heard. I think like that. You guys are saying.
Ratan is not a professor for AWS. Even I will teach for the AWS, but not AWS.
Oh yeah, I heard like that. Yeah, you're teaching from February 3rd. That's why I just asked.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I think today class, you got the complete idea about what we are going to teach. Okay, what is the syllabus copy, and what is the front end, what is the back end. This all information, right? So
I just lost the front. What is the front end? What is the back end? Can you explain?
Who is asking that question?
Yeah, I'm Lakshman.
That is yesterday you attended the class, right? Yesterday I told you, right? And the class also explained that point, right? In video. Front end technologies, back end technologies, DevOps technologies, DBMS technologies. Yeah, guys, you got the mail regarding the fee payments here. That mail you will get, and you try to complete the formalities. Anil Kumar, you got the mail, right? You got the mail regarding how much fees. It will be 5,000 rupees, and you got the payment details like Google Pay, Phone Pay, and the account details. You try to check once.
I don't got any mail.
Today they'll send you. Today they'll send you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Good. Tomorrow onwards, I will put the Java introduction part. We will start the completely Java from tomorrow onwards, because yesterday and today, maybe you guys are having the more questions in your mind, right? That's what I'm spending more time on discussion part. So tomorrow class not like this. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start the Java. So because we understood what are the front and back and DevOps team, database team, how many months CoreJava. So what are the entry questions, test papers, and the Python versus Java, and the syllabus copy, what we are going to discuss. I think all the points are clear, right? All the points are clear, right? If all the points are clear, then tomorrow onwards we will start the Java introduction part. The first chapter will start from tomorrow. That is the point. Yeah. Good. Clear, right? Everything is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Still in your mind, any questions?
Nothing, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah.
I have one more question actually.
Tomorrow.
How much real-time experience?
What, Balakrishna? How much?
How much experience? How much real-time experience can I gain after attending this total CoreJava?
CoreJava, Advanced Java, we can't put any experience. CoreJava, Advanced Java, there is no one will accept your resume. To put the experience in resume, mandatory we need to add the Spring Boot web services. Once if we put the Spring Boot web services, we can put the gap as almost 5 to 6 years experience. No problem.
Okay.
Because most of the MCA students, they will put the BSc as a degree, and then they make the MCA 3 years as a gap, and they'll put almost 4+ experience in the resume. They'll attend interviews. They'll get the job.
Tomorrow also demo classes are available, sir. Free classes.
Free class tomorrow you can attend without paying fee. Tomorrow you can attend. Tomorrow we'll start the Java. Because 2 days we done like introduction part, right? So tomorrow we'll start the Java. Okay. Sunday is holiday. Monday the guys who are paid fees, you will get the link. Okay, that's fine.
And sir, one more question over here. So like for advanced Java, there will be parallel classes, right?
If we already know some basics of Java, guys, this Monday, not Monday, Tuesday maybe, mostly Tuesday or Wednesday morning 10 a.m. we have the advanced Java class. The guys who
Uh,
already know some basics of Java, then you can eligible. Welcome to that class. You are welcome to that class.
or and what about this one, the 3 months one, which you have mentioned?
That's what. See, after 1 month, if you take the advanced Java parallelly, it will take 3 months, right?
Okay. So you are
But
telling that for first month it will be like core Java
first,
only for first
whatever
month
I
onwards?
suggest is like first month you can take the core Java. After
Okay.
1 month is completed, you can take the core advanced parallelly. Then it will be 3 months will be enough to complete your core advanced Java. But you are
Okay.
saying that you already know some basics of Java, some basics. Then you can attend the parallel advanced Java also in the morning 10 a.m. so that within the 2 months your core and advanced will be completed.
Okay, understood that one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir,
You
I
guys,
have a doubt.
tell me.
Sir, we are going to learn like basic core Java. So in version there it will be any difference?
Sorry. Basic core Java.
Means we are going to learn basic core Java, but you are saying like earlier in Java 8 onwards it's like functional something. So there will be kind, means in difference in version.
No, there is no concept like basic core Java like that. We'll teach like core Java. That's it. Completely, we'll teach the complete in and out for the core Java completely. Reactive programming, functional
Yes.
programming, object-oriented programming. Everything we will teach. Okay.
Okay, means we need to learn all those things. Means according to version, what are the things are there, right?
Definitely. All. I written a syllabus copy here, right? This all we will see.
Okay, got
No,
it, sir.
we will see all this all. No problem. Any other questions, please? Tomorrow onwards, I will not encourage you these kind of questions. That's what. Today, if you have any questions, let me know. Anil Kumar, sir, fee are paying in the initial method. Just you can call to office. You can talk with office once. Okay, that is information of fee. I given the numbers here in the day one lecture. The day one lecture at last, I given the numbers here. Just you can call to office and try to ask them, and maybe they will give the accept or not accept. I don't know.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you guys. That's all for the day. So we'll meet you tomorrow. We'll continue, and tomorrow
Sir,
we'll start direction part. Okay. Yeah.
hello, sir.
May I?
Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, give me your number, sir. I will call you personally. I have,
Ask office.
sir.
Pay the fees. Ask the office team. They will give you my number. You can talk with me. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some suppose like command is there. Command what is work and what we can run. Some doubt too.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Guys, tomorrow we'll meet, guys. Huh? Bye.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Tomorrow we'll start with Java.
Okay, bye, sir. Okay, bye.